Hello, Evan Scoresby here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to build your feedback score on eBay to at least a 10 or higher to initially build some reputation for your brand new eBay account. And there's two ways that you can build feedback on eBay. You can either buy something or you can sell something. And for most people who are just getting started, you're not really in a position to sell anything yet. And so we're going to show you how you can buy some very inexpensive items that are $1 or less just for the sole purpose of building your feedback score to a 10 or higher. And this will give you some initial reputation, some initial feedback that will help increase buyer confidence and let people know that, hey, you're not a total newbie out there and that you do have some reputation, and people will feel a little bit more comfortable buying from you rather than somebody who's brand new who doesn't have any feedback or reputation on there. Okay, and so the first thing that you want to do is go to ebay.com. Okay, so go to ebay.com, make sure you log into your account. Okay, and it should say hi and then your first name up at the top right or the top left there. And then there's two ways that you can buy something on eBay. You can either buy it at an auction where you actually place a bid, and that auction lasts for a certain amount of time, and you would bid against other users on eBay. The other method is that you can do what's called a buy it now, where you can just buy it immediately at a fixed price, where you don't have to wait for the auction to end and you don't have to run the risk of getting outbid. And so that's the recommended method that you use when completing this step. And so we're going to show you how to use the Buy It Now feature. So we're just going to search for an inexpensive item here. Okay, so if we want to do, click on the search bar up here, and we're just going to do a search for maybe paper clips. Okay, so just do a search for paper clips, and you can search for anything. This is just an example, right? So you can search for anything you want following this method that I show you, and you'll be able to find some items that are $1 or less that you can buy. And so after you do a search, it's going to pull up all of these active listings here, okay? And you can see there are a lot of different prices. We want to kind of do some sorting and some refining to only see the ones that are 99 cents or less with free shipping, okay? So up here at the top, on the search results, you have three options: all listings, auction, or buy it now. So we only want to look at the buy it now with a fixed price. We don't want to bid on anything. So just click on buy it now right here, and this will automatically refresh and resort the listings just to show only the buy it now. Okay, but it's still different prices, so we want to come over here under this sort option right here, and we want to go to best match. Well, we want to click here, sorry, it should say best match already, but we want to change this to price plus shipping lowest first. Price plus shipping lowest first. So go ahead and click on that there, and it's going to automatically sort the listings from lowest to highest price. Now, as you can see, we have items that are coming up that are less than $1 with free shipping. Okay, and so you can just go through here and pick, what you want to buy. So a lot of different options come up. So if you just want to get some paper clips, just regular paper clips that you can use, that's fine. So for this example, if we were going to use this one, if I'm going to buy the item, I'm going to click on just the title, and it will take me to the buy page, where it will give me more information about the product, and it will also have that option right here to buy it now. Okay. Now, just a word of note, you only want to buy one product per seller. Okay, so one product per seller. And that's because if you buy more than one item from the same seller, only one of those transactions will count towards your feedback score, okay? And the purpose is to get your feedback score to 10 or higher, so you would need to have at least 10 different transactions with different sellers, okay? And so over here on the right, you have a box that says seller information. And so if you're going to buy this particular product, and you just want to make a note, write down on a piece of paper or something, the seller information. So just their user ID, which is jewelry fashion here, right? So I just make a note on a piece of paper that I bought a product from them. So when I go and search for another product to buy, I'll just verify that I'm not buying from the same seller again. Okay, so you want to buy from different sellers, one item per seller. Okay, so if I was going to buy this item, all I would have to do is click on the Buy It Now option. So I'll just click on Buy It Now, and it will take me to a page where I'll confirm the payment information. And right here, it'll go through the information, commit to buy through PayPal. Okay, and that's why you have to have your PayPal account set up and a bank account attached to it if you don't have any funds in it, so you can pay for this item. Okay, so you just click on commit to buy, and then it will take you to PayPal to log into your account. Okay. Oh, well, I have mine set up in a way where I actually made the purchase and it just did a one-click setting, right? If you haven't set yours up that way, it will actually prompt you to log in. Okay, and you'd have to confirm the payment. In my case, it didn't do that because I already had it connected. Okay, so it looks like I just bought some paper clips, which is fine. It's 99 cents China, 72 cents US. And so once you, at that confirmation message, your thank you, please pay now to complete your purchase. And then you just go back and do another search for another item and just do that same process. And I recommend that you purchase at least 15 items. I know the goal is to get to 10 or higher on the feedback score, but not all sellers are going to leave you feedback, unfortunately. So just to kind of offset that, I recommend buying 15 items using this method. And once you pay for it and see this confirmation, within the next day or two, you'll start getting notifications that feedback have been left. And once you get up to 10, you've completed that step, and then we can move on to the next one. So if you have any questions, email me, let me know, or contact support. And hope you found it great and valuable. I'll talk to you on the next video. Bye for now.